y'all, welcome back. Today is day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas series. I am super excited. Today I am doing a Deco mesh Grinch themed wreath. I have done a wreath like this before, only I actually did it on a candy cane shaped wreath. So this is my first time doing a round one, and it was a lot of fun. It was also very easy. So if you wanted to give this a try, you absolutely can. And right here you can see I noticed that my inner ring broke, but it didn't affect this project at all because I'm not putting any of the Deco mesh on that ring. I stayed on the 2 inner rings and I alternated. And I did 3 groups of the Deco mesh on each section, but I should have did a little more, maybe like 4 to 5, maybe even 6, because it could have been a little bit more full, but you know, practice makes perfect. It still looked adorable in the end, at least it did to me. So y'all need to make sure you comment, subscribe, let me know what you think about this wreath in the comment section, and keep watching. So after using up all of my Deco mesh, I only ended up using like 4 rolls total and definitely needed a little more, I think personally. So I decided to add a bit of ribbon. I added a couple loops of ribbon in here, and everything in this video is actually from Dollar Tree except the red ribbon that is from Walmart. And the polka dot ribbon is actually from Hobby Lobby. And I felt like it was missing something. It still wasn't as full as I wanted it to be, but I was out of Deco mesh, so I had to make do with what I had. And I added a few strands of ribbon. And honestly, I thought that the ribbon made it more Dr. Seussy. That's something I've been saying a lot of this year because I actually decorated my kid's bathroom Dr. Seuss this year. I have been doing the Grinch for Christmas this year. So yeah, Dr. Seussy is a term now in this house. But it definitely made it, for me, it made it more festive. It looks more Whoville-like to me. And I personally love that polka dot ribbon, and I ducktailed the ends just to give it a little bit of fancy, give it a little bit of fancy schmanciness, you know, because your girl is extra. And honestly, I think it looks better than if it were just left as is. So yeah. In retrospect, I would have added the ribbon as I was adding the deco mesh, but I really didn't know where I was going with this design when I first started. It wasn't until I put all the deco mesh in that I was thinking, hey, maybe I could turn this into a Grinch themed wreath, because that's what it started to remind me of, the green was more Grinchy than Christmas green. And so that's why I decided to go for the ribbon, and also because I wanted to try to make it look a bit more full. Again, I ran out of Deco mesh, so I had to make do with what I had, and I thought it looked really good. Once I realized I wanted to turn it into a Grinch themed wreath, I went and grabbed something out of the mini bags of Hobby Lobby um Hobby Lobby decorations I still have. It's a shame. My husband's been looking at me like I'm crazy, but I have this little light up hanging ornament thing. I don't know what to call it, but it lights up. And I also got this. I got this from Hobby Lobby. And the pack of fairy lights, they're warm white. I got them from Amazon in a pack of 6 for $10. Very good deal. I love these. I can never find the fairy lights at my Dollar Tree, but I've seen plenty of people on YouTube with them. So check your Dollar Tree. This could be a full Dollar Tree project if you can find the fairy lights, or you don't have to have it lit, but I always have to either light things or cover it in glitter. So yeah, I can't help myself. And these are super cute. They're very bright, and I absolutely love these lights. Highly recommend. I also have them another pack of 6 in the colored lights, but I thought that with all the colors and the shapes and the patterns that it was better just to have white. Here is the finished look. I ended up making a bow with some Dollar Tree ribbon, and I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. It could definitely have been a little bit more full, but I absolutely love it the way it is. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me. Tomorrow I will be back at it again with another Christmas decoration DIY. So I really hope you consider joining me again tomorrow for that. Please, if you're not already, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye.